Charts in Excel. A chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. It makes it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship, and trends among the values in a table. Components of a chart. Chart title. Chart title describes the main aim and content of the chart. X-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also called the category axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical axis of the chart. It is also called the value axis. Plot area. It is the rectangular area bounded by the two axes. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category, and value axis. Data series. Data series is related to the set of values. It is represented by the bars or slices that represents the data values. Data labels. Data labels includes data values, category name, series name, legend keys, and values from cells. Grid lines. These can be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. It makes it easier to read and understand the values. Legend. Legend is a key which shows the meaning of symbols and colors used in the chart. Chart area. The area that includes all objects and elements in a chart. Types of charts in Excel. Excel provides a variety of different chart formats such as bar, column, pie, line, area, donut, scatter, surface, or radar. Line chart. It is used to show trends over a period of time. It is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on X and Y axis. It uses connecting dots to display trends over a period of time. Column chart. It is usually used to display the data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show the changes in data over a period of time or comparison among the different data items. The categories are represented on the horizontal axis and the values are represented on the vertical axis. Pie chart. It is a circular chart divided into sectors where each sector shows the relative size of each value. It always shows only one data series. It is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Bar chart. The bar chart displays the data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars. These bars can be placed horizontally on the chart area. It illustrates the comparisons amongst the individual items. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Area chart. It is used to display the quantitative magnitude of the data graphically. These charts are based on the features of the line chart. They basically emphasize the area between the line and the axis with the help of the colors, textures, pictures, etc. Scatter chart. Scatter charts, also known as XY scatter plot charts. They show the correlations between two sets of values. The X and Y axis is used to represent the data plots on the chart. Creating a chart. To create a chart, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of cells, for example, A1 to C5 in this case. Step 2. Click on Column Chart from Charts group under Insert tab. Step 3. Select 2D Column Chart option from the drop-down list. A chart will be inserted in the Excel sheet as shown. Changing chart type. You can change the type of an existing chart at any time. Perform the following steps to change the chart type. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click on the Change Chart Type command from Type group under the Design tab. Step 3. Click on Line from the left panel of the Change Chart Type dialog box. Step 4. Click on Line with Markers option from right panel under Line group. The chart will change to line chart similar to this.